Hey guys, I want to tell you about this cool product. It's amofit as a unique bioelectronic device that helps you improve sleep, anxiety, and stress. It comes in two colors, light and dark gray. It also has two clip-on options. You can use it as a clip-on on your clothes, just like this, or use it as a necklace. It's super simple. The way it operates is even easier. You can turn it on by the touch button here. Whenever you see the green color and feel the vibration, it means that it's turned on and it's automatically on the calm mode. If you want to switch it to the focus mode, you need to put on the touch button here. So whenever the light is blue, you can know that it's in the focus mode now. What actually happens is that the electromagnetic signals generated from the product stimulate the vagus nerve, which is located in the chest. And whenever the vagus nerve is stimulated, it's capable of improving our health and well-being overall. amofit is also very affordable, so make sure to check out the page for more information and get yours to try it out.